Hello, this is Patrick at OneCNCWest, and in this new OneCNC XR9 video, we're going to take a look at how we can store setup information within our OneCNC part file. Alright, so before we get started, consider signing up to our new OneCNC Newsletter. It's 100% free and you can unsubscribe anytime that you'd like. The hyperlink is provided in the video description below. Alright, let's continue with our video. Now, this setup information I'm talking about are photographs. Alright, so here we have just a standard part file, and you can see that I'm using the OneCNC dark theme, and this is definitely OneCNC XR9. Alright, now you can put your photos on the same layer as your part file if you'd like, but I'm going to create a brand new layer by coming over to the layer browser in the lower right hand corner. I'm going to right hand mouse click and select add a layer. Let's rename this layer. I'm going to double click and I'm just simply going to call this Setup Photos. I think that looks great. We'll click OK. And of course, you can name this layer anything that you like. Let's turn our part layer off. I'm going to hit the spacebar twice to quickly go to a CAD view. And let's start to import our images. So to do this, let's head over to the Command Manager. And what you want to do is select Shapes. And from there, you want to select Image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look on my desktop. Going to scan down. Let's take a look at this first image. I'm just going to double click. And over here on the left, I want to make sure I click Keep Aspect Ratio. I can now take my cursor and I can hold down the left mouse button and drag the cursor to locate the image. And when you're finished, you can click the right mouse button. Let's do that again. Let's head back over into the Command Manager. Let's go into our Shapes option. And by the way, you can always right click on this and it will place the command on the Quick Access toolbar. This will save you a lot of time, especially if you're going to use the command a lot. So let's click on the image icon. Let's grab the second image. That looks good, and I have my Keep Aspect Ratio option clicked. And I'm just going to left click and simply drag. Now, of course, you can use coordinate input if you'd like. And while you're doing this, you can pan, you can rotate. I'm just going to place it right about there. When you're done, right-hand mouse click. How about one more time? Let's select the option. I'm going to select the third image, and I'm going to just left click. And as I'm dragging up, I can pan up a little bit more, and let's place it just like that. So now I have a brand new layer that contains these images that can help me reference the setup information for this project. Now, another important thing to note is that those photos are treated exactly like geometry within OneCNC. And what I mean by that is that you can select these images or photos, you can move them, you can rotate them, scale them, whatever you need to do. It's very, very flexible. We'd love to hear your comments regarding this new OneCNC XR9 feature. And if you find this video was valuable, please click the like button as that helps our channel. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and consider signing up to our free OneCNC newsletter. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.